In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix location permissions on Life360. Alright, let's walk through this together on an iPhone. I'm starting right from my home screen, and the first thing I'm doing is opening the Settings app. This is where all the permission controls live, so everything we need is right in here. Once Settings is open, I'm scrolling down slowly until I see the option that says Apps. Depending on your phone, this might be a little further down, so just keep scrolling until it shows up, then tap on it. Now that I'm inside the apps section, I'm scrolling through the list of installed apps. There can be a lot here, so take your time. I'm looking specifically for Life360. Once I find it, I tap on it, and this brings me directly into the app specific settings for Life360. From here you'll see several permission options, but the one we care about is location. It's usually right near the top, so go ahead and tap on location. This is where most location issues come from, especially if Life360 isn't updating properly or showing accurate locations. Once the location settings open, you'll see a few options for how Life360 is allowed to access your location. What we want to do here is choose always. So if it's currently set to something like while using the app or never, go ahead and tap always. This allows Life360 to access your location even when the app is running in the background, which is really important for accurate tracking. After selecting always, take a quick look just below that. You'll see an option called precise location. Make sure this is turned on. This allows Life360 to use your exact location instead of an approximate one. If this is turned off, the app might still work, but locations can be delayed or not as accurate, which can cause confusion inside your circle. Once precise location is switched on, that's basically the main fix right there. At this point, Life360 has full access to your location the way it needs to function properly. There's no save button or confirmation needed. The changes apply immediately as soon as you tap them. Now after you've done that, you can back out of settings. You don't need to restart your phone or reinstall the app. Just open Life360 again and give it a moment to refresh. In most cases, you'll notice that location updates start working properly again almost right away. If Life360 was showing outdated locations, missing updates, or saying location permissions were off, this usually clears it up. Making sure it's set to always and that precise location is enabled is the key combination here. Sometimes, after adjusting these settings, Life360 may briefly refresh or resync your location in the background. That's normal, so just give it a minute if things don't update instantly. As long as those settings are correct, the app should stabilize and work the way it's supposed to. And that's really all there is to it. You go into your iPhone settings, open apps, select Life360, tap on location, choose always, and turn on precise location. That simple change fixes most location permission problems people run into. So once that's done, you're all set. Your Life360 app should now be able to track and share your location accurately without any issues. That's how you fix location permissions on Life360 using an iPhone.